come to today's session. See, I'm having one CSV file is there. Assume like one Praveen, Hyderabad. So two Kumar, one more topic, Chennai. So this is the CSV file. Now client is asking to load the data into Snowflake. Generally, what we'll do in Snowflake, tell me, generally what we'll do? We need to create a table and go for what? Go for loading the data. Okay, take the data, this is fine. But what happened in DBT, instead of loading the data from Snowflake, there is a concept of called what? Anyone, any idea? To handle
Seeds.
CSV data?
Seeds.
So see, seeds concept is coming to picture. Today's session is DBT seeds, very important. At least 2-3 seeds will be there in a project. Okay, see what exactly DBT seeds? What exactly seeds? I'll try to explain it to PPT. So see, today's session is seeds. Okay. So DBT seeds. Okay. So see this image. What is DBT seeds? It's a CSV files in the DBT project. So whenever we run seed, what happens? Tables will be created. See this definition. Seeds are CSV files in the DBT project. Transform CSV files data into data warehouse. Okay, it will be created as a table, mainly for small data set and static data. I'll explain one more time. Now, what's our data? So this is the data. So copy the same thing. Go to where I should go. Go to the DBT cloud. Okay. So create a file and paste. So Control V. Now where I want to save this file, in which folder? Models folder. Huh?
Seeds.
Seeds folder. See Control S. Okay. So see seeds folder. See plural seeds folder. Okay. Okay. So like see EMP something like CSV. What is the extension? .SQL I should put. It's a
.csv.
.csv. So CSV. So seeds folder, we should put in the seeds folder. Extension is .csv. So create. So this is the functionality. Now question is that what? So what I'm trying to say? DBT seeds are CSV file in which project? DBT project. Now what happened now? Whenever we run, what happened? The seeds will be created where? In the Snowflake data platform. Now, how to run? What's the command? Anybody knows, sir? DBT
Seeds.
seed hyphen m and the seed name. Okay, see. Next one is that what? What is seed? It's a .csv okay file. Okay. How to run the seed? How to run the seed? Tell me. DBT seed hyphen m and the seed name. Okay. So how? So it's a case sensitive EMP underscore CSV. Now wherever object will be created in DBT or in Snowflake.
Snowflake.
Snowflake. In which database? In which schema? In the target database. Target schema. Okay. See, execute. Important. Listen carefully. See, EMP underscore CSV. Go to details. Okay. So scroll down and now see what happened. See the log. Copy the log. Important concept. Change the language to SQL. Now see what happened. Anybody? See what happened? Tell me. So create a table, database name, schema name, and object name. Tell me this is called as what? Database name, schema name, and object name is called as what?
Fully
Fully
qualified.
qualified.
Fully qualified.
qualified.
Okay. Now tell me now. So we are giving any column data types, huh? No. Okay. See,
No.
based on the C. Now what happened? ID is what? ID is taking as a integer. Now what about name? Name is taking as a varchar. Now what's the conclusion? So based on the data, DBT will try to create a definition in the table. So first step, so creating the table. Second step is you see second step what happened? Insert is happening. So two records. Third step is what happening? Commit is happening. So see it's important. One more time. Now, okay, now I am trying to run first time. First time this command. What will happen? Table creation plus insertion plus
Insert.
commit the data
Commit.
because DMLs are not auto committable. So this is the functionality. Now, so let me confirm in Snowflake. Take the data and see the data. So Control C, open in Snowflake. Okay. Try to execute a select statement. Now, how many records are there in my table? 2 records are there. Okay. Now let me go to Snowflake. Let me add 3 RAM BNC. Save it. Now, how many records will be there? 2 or 3?
3 records.
Tell me.
2 records.
3.
2 records. We did
We
not
have a
seed.
Yeah, because we have not executed the command.
Okay. See, now what happened? How many records? 3 or 2? Only 2 records.
2 records.
Okay. Now, if I want to get the third record, what I should do? I should
Seed.
rerun the seed command. Rerun the seed command. Okay. Okay. How to run? So use up arrow and run. So symbol, seed symbol is there. Okay. Now see what happens. So see now how many records will be there here? 3 records will be there. Okay. But you see, you should see the logs. Okay. Copy the logs. Open Notepad++. Change the same thing. Try to compare. Okay. See. Now tell me, so this is the first time, left side is the first time, second time. Now see what's the difference, see here. The second time what happening, tell me. Second time, see what happened. First time, creation is there. Tell me creation is there, here? No. What happening, tell me if you see. So truncate the table and committing. Tell me why truncating the table and commit, why commit required here, tell me.
Duplicate records
DML.
first.
No,
No.
DML we are doing.
So tell me truncate is a DDL or DML in Snowflake.
DML.
Confirm, tell me DDL or DML?
GDL.
No. In Snowflake, truncate
DML.
is a DML. That's why they're trying to commit the data. So committing, inserting, committing. So what is the conclusion? You need to see what happened. If you see the data, 1 second. Okay, see. Okay, this is important. So when you try to perform second time, no important. Second time, what has happening? So truncate the table plus commit. Why? Because truncate is a DML in Snowflake. Again, insert plus commit. So see, first time what happened? Table creation, inserting, and committing happening. So here you need to understand. Second time table truncation and inserting and committing the data. Got the point? Huh? Yes, I know this is the functionality. So far, good. Okay, so see, this is fine. Clear up to here. If you see the data, now we'll get 3 records is available. Now what happens? Suppose let me insert 4th record. Okay, 4th record. So 4, something like this. Now what happened? Tell me how to get this 3 record. What I should do? I should rerun the seed record. Okay, so truncate and it will be inserting. Okay, see now how many records will be there?
4 records.
4 records will be there. So far. Now what happened? Now see, this is fine. Now let me add a new column. Okay, so U1. 1. Okay. Now thing is that what tell me now it will work or not? Any guess? It will work or it will throw error or it will do nothing. Now I'm trying to rerun the seed command again. What will happen? Tell me.
Yeah, it will. Okay, it's not
It will
dropping. It is
recreate the table.
truncate. No, it's truncating the table. So
Okay.
if it is not
Truncate is not possible since the schema has changed over there. I think it will recreate that table, create or replace table.
No. My question is that what? So see, I am trying to execute the seed command. What will happen? Now it will throw error or it will work or it will do nothing. See what is second line is doing? Second time or third time, what is performing? Tell me.
Truncating and committing.
Committing and inserting. Okay, tell me if you see it will work or it will not work. That's what the point.
It will not work
not
since
work.
we have added another column.
Schema
table.
change.
It will throw error. Huh?
Column.
Yes.
You have added column, it will throw error.
See,
I think it will add only the 3 columns.
We'll see. It will throw error. Okay, see, it is throwing error. Okay. Now question is that what? Now how many records will be there? 4 records or no records?
4 records.
Tell me. 4 records, huh?
No. 3 records.
3 records. Why reducing?
3 records.
Why reducing records?
We did new column added, right?
Now see what is the second time or third time it will do?
Get
Second time what?
committed.
I think
Truncate and commit.
Truncate
Truncate
and
nothing but what happens? See now how many records there? Now there won't be no records. No. Not getting a
yeah,
CPCL. Okay. Not why zero records came? Tell me anybody? Can you conclude that?
it
Anybody?
created again table
Not table creation. So
column.
Added a new
Uh,
column.
Another see 1 second. So see
It
first time
will
what?
do only truncate. No, that's the reason.
Okay, that's easy. Simple. See, you need to be okay. So you need to be clear. Okay, you're giving all the answers. Okay, see. So first time what happened? Tell me. First time when you try to create it. Suppose like let me go back and try to create one more file. So Control C. So you should understand. So theory part you should know implement. Okay, see because I'm saying the same thing. No. See. So where I want to save this file
Seed folder.
in the seeds
seed.
folder. Seeds folder. Okay. So put a name. Okay, suppose like e1.csv. Okay. e1.csv. Now how to run the seed? Now tell me how to run the seed. So
DBT
DBT seed -m and the seed name. Now what happened? Tell me first time you need to say. First time what happening? Tell me. First time forget about all
Table
these things.
creation.
Okay, see table creation.
Insertion
plus
and then
commit.
commit.
So table
Yes, yes.
creation is the first task. Second task is that what?
Insertion.
Insert plus
Commit.
commit. Okay, commit. Okay, now how to confirm in Snowflake? Okay, so see the data. Always see the data and confirm whether data is populating or not in Snowflake. Okay, so how to check? By using select statement. Okay, select star from the same. Now see one. Okay, see records are available so far. Okay. Now second time I am actually rerunning the same seed command. What will happen? Tell me. What will happen?
Truncate, insert, and commit.
So truncating, inserting, and committing. Now same 4 records will be available. Now see what happened second time. See second time. So see theory you are saying, but practically you're not able to say. Okay, see what is second time? Truncating the table plus inserting the records plus truncate table plus one more thing committing happening because so Snowflake truncate is a DML plus again insert plus commit. Now point you need to understand what now I am trying to add extra column. Okay, see extra column. Okay, R comma 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma 1. Okay, now save it. Now already table is there. Second time or third time what will happen? Tell me. What will happen?
It will truncate and commit.
Truncate and commit, and then try to insert the record. Tell me, R column is there in my table?
No.
No.
No. Now, what is error will get? Any guess?
Delete.
No. What is error will get?
Zero.
What error?
Zero.
No. No, records are 0. Now, question is that what is the error will get? What is error will get?
Let's try to
Number of
insert
columns
a
in source
value
and
in the
target is mismatch.
It will be not. It will be invalid identifier. If you see, if you scroll down, see error message will be there at the bottom. Okay, see. Now they are trying to insert into ID, name, city, UR. Tell me, R column is there? Huh? We're getting invalid identifier. Okay, see the same thing. Now copy the same functionality. Now try to execute in Snowflake. Tell me it work. Huh? Tell me it work. Huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tell me it work. Huh?
No.
No.
Why? Why?
Because
It
in
will work.
target column we don't have that column.
Structure is missing.
So see,
Column
now
is
we'll say what? It says invalid identifier R. Okay. Now what I should do? Can we
alter the
add?
table.
Can we alter manually? Yeah? We don't have permission. Then what I should do? So generally it is not recommended to modify in Snowflake because Snowflake is a data warehouse. We should do it as Snowflake. Then what I should do? Again rerunning. Okay, see, not working. Then what I should do? Any guess? Now schema changes happening. Now schema changes happening. then what I should do? We should go for what? Full refresh concept is there. Okay, see. So see if I use this command, what happened? We should go for what concept? So DBT seed, okay, hyphen full
refresh.
hyphen refresh, okay,
Seed name.
hyphen m seed name. Okay, when scheme, see, let me execute, then you can able to understand. Now schema changes happening. When schema changes happening, what happened now? See, now how many records, how many columns are there? So 4 columns. Now you'll get 5th column or will be populating. Okay, see, this is the functionality. If you see the log now, go to the logs, go to details. Okay. See now what happened. So what happened? Tell me.
It is dropping the table.
Table dropping, again creating the table, and again inserting the records. Clear so far? Here
Yep.
you need to understand the
Yeah.
concept is that what? If
Schema.
any schema changes happening, make use of what concept? Make use of
Full
full
refresh.
refresh. Full refresh. Clear? This is clear. Up to here and also try to say and ask your question. So that we'll go for one more concept, important concept in seeds only. So simple thing. First time creation and inserting and committing. Second time what happens, since table is already available, try to truncate the table and insert. If schema changes, what happen? How to accommodate Microsoft? What command?
Full
Microsoft full
refresh.
refresh. Full refresh. Okay. So this is so far good. Now see one more important thing in the seeds only. Let me go here. Suppose like client is saying one more. Client is having one file. Okay. Account number, account name. Okay. 001. So Praveen. Okay, see this data. So instead of going from Snowflake, he's asking to make some DBT concept. Which concept will come into picture in DBT? The
Seeds.
seeds concept. Okay, see where I want to save this account details.
Seeds concepts.
Okay, in the seeds account details dot what extension CSV or SQL?
CSV.
CSV. So put in the seeds folder. Now tell me this data when I can access in Snowflake by using what? When I can access
Database. Yeah.
once we run the command. Okay, see once we run the seed command. So DBT seed hyphen m. What is seed name? Account details. Okay, where exactly? So make sure like you're saving the correct folder. Okay. Now see, now go and confirm in the Snowflake. Okay, copy the same thing. So control V. Okay. Now tell me record is available. But here what happened? Tell me zeros are there. My CSV file, zeros are there. But in my Snowflake, zeros are not available. Why? Tell me. Any guess? What is the reason? Important. Why zeros are not there?
Data type may be considered as integer. By default, it will consider as an integer.
Now see what happened correctly. Now if you see this one, no, see go to the logs. Always check the logs. Okay. So see, go to details. So go to details. Now if you see what happened, see if you see PWDB. So account number integer, account name text. So when you try to see insert, what happens? See if you see the insert statement. Okay. So insert statement. Let me check in insert statement. So concept. This is a concept. Okay. Okay. Now what happened? I am putting 0001 P. Okay. Now tell me now what happened. Tell me what happened. Zeros will be there or not? So by default, what? Tell me by default, what's the behavior? By default for integer, zeros will be removed. Okay, or trimmed. That's what the default functionality. Get the fantasy one more time. Here you need to understand the concept is that what? So by default in the number data type, tell me by default in the number data type. Tell me.
Zeros will be removed. Removed.
Tell me. Zeros will be removed. Okay, 1 second. Okay, see. So by default behavior is that what? So by default behavior is that what? So if zeros are there, it will be trimmed. Okay, see, but what happened? Requirement is that what? I want to get zeros. Tell me by using SQL how to get zeros.
You have to
See,
change the data
uh,
type.
before the changing the data type. So by using SQL concept, I want to get zeros. Tell me how to get zeros.
By using padding, we can.
Google codes or
By using
padding.
what? So by using, see what happened. So zeros, how many zeros they want? They want 4 zeros. So they want 4 zeros. See, account number. SQL concept. Tell me which SQL concept will come in picture.
LPAD.
Starting. So can you go for single quota? Concat. Tell me how to club two strings. By using concater
Concat.
or pipe symbol. Okay. Suppose if I want to make it dynamic, then we should go for what concept? Go for padding. What padding? L pad. Okay. So 4 zeros. Okay. 0. Okay. Correct? So this we are trying to do in Snowflake, but I don't want to in Snowflake. I want to do in DBT. How to do in DBT? Tell me. See, simple thing. So here,
We
okay.
need to
So
go for models.
models, why models? So simple thing. So what is the functionality? What? So by default, okay, see when you have number data type, zeros will be trimmed or removed. So we want to say to DBT, suppose see, let me create a table. So T6 ID number ID1 varchar, okay. Insert into T6 values. So I'm putting 0001, same thing, copy the same thing, 0 and execute. Now see the data. Now tell me zeros will be there or not? Any guess for integer column
Yes,
or number column? For
it
varchar
will be.
column? See, so for integer, numbers are zeros are trim. For varchar, what happened? Zeros are available. Now what's the conclusion? Tell me anybody. Now
We
we
can
want to
typecast.
change
Varchar.
this account name as varchar. But what happened? Tell me now. Now tell me who is creating the data type and the table. DBT.
Developer.
DBT.
So, no, DBT. So by seeing the data, DBT assume it's a number. It's a varchar. One more time. So we are not doing anything. So based on the data, DBT assume it's a number. It's a varchar. But I want to say to DBT, don't treat as a number. Treat as a
Varchar.
varchar. Now how can you say already table created? Okay, how can you say to DBT by using what concept? Simple thing. So by default, what object will be created when you run a model?
View.
When you run view. Suppose if I want to override this functionality, where we can override?
The project.yaml file.
At the YAML. Same thing here also. What? So we want to say to DBT, don't treat as a number, treat as a varchar. So where I want to say by using what concept? By using YAML concept. See, one more YAML. See, Control S. I'll explain one more time. Seeds dot YAML. Where I want to put in the seeds folder. Okay. So tell me what's the drawback or limitation? So by default, so seeing the data, DBT is assuming it's a number. But what happened in the number? Zeros has been removed. But we want to say to DBT, don't treat as a number, treat as a varchar. How can you say? By using YAML concept. Tell me, so this is the syntax. So seeds, what is seed name? Seed name is what? Which is the seed name? So these three are seeds. Which is having issue?
v1.ch.
No, accounts.
No,
This is the
account. Sorry.
account. Okay, see,
Account.
Account underscore details. Now, so issue with which column? Column is which column?
Third column.
Number.
Third, that is account number. Okay, see, account number. Okay, this is just a config. Okay, so put config column types. What is the column is issue? So this is syntax. Seeds, name of the seed, configuration property, column types. Now what is issue? Issue with which column? account number. So now what I want to say to DBT, so DBT, say
Treat it as a text column.
varchar. Okay, text varchar, anything. Now, what is the thing? Tell me, we are saying to DBT. So by default, seeing the data, it is treating as a
Number.
Integer column.
number. But we want to say DBT, don't treat as a number, treat as a varchar. How can you say? Using
YAML.
YAML. So see, seeds. Okay, one more time. Seeds. What is seed name? Account
Accounts, details,
details. Okay, see config.
config.
Now what happened? Then what we should put? Column type.
Column.
Now what issue with which column? Column name is what? Account
Number.
account number. Okay, see account number. The varchar. Now tell me. Now second time tell me now already data is available. Okay, see, so data is available in my, okay, see, listen carefully, you should say answer. Select the star, we'll get what? We'll get three, this one only, account details.
Yes, sir.
Okay, account details. Praveen, we insert extra record, I guess. Okay, no worries. Okay. So now what happened? Now second time or third time I'm running the seed command. Now what will happen? Anybody guess? You should say clearly. It will be 2 records, or to be no records, or zeros will get appended or no appended. Anyone any guess? You should think.
Append and create.
Zeros will be appended. First it will truncate.
Truncate, then
Return commit.
okay.
Then insert.
Then alt. It will modify the column.
No, how we are saying to DBT modifiers. So you need to understand. See, so behavior will be same for all things. First time what happened?
Second
Creation plus insertion plus commit. Okay. Now this is first time. Second time what happened? Tell me. Second time truncation plus commit plus insert plus commit. Tell me where is alter is there? Alter is there?
No.
Then how the changes will get affected? See, now we'll get only 2 records will be there. One Praveen. Okay. Now got the point a little bit. So see now what happened? Second time behavior will not be changed if you try to add YAML. Okay. See now what happened? See we mentioned here, but okay now I want to accommodate the schema changes, or I want to access this schema changes. Then what I should do? We should use what command? Go for now see schema changes happening. Go for full refresh. No, simple thing. Now see, tell me this is schema change or not?
Yes.
Yeah.
So we are saying to DBT change the data type. So now what I should do? Run the seed command with the full refresh. Full refresh. Now it will be table will be truncated and it will be created with what? Varchar or number column?
Varchar
column. See the same thing. So details. So see if you see now where created so table drop and varchar and a text. What is the point? Suppose like see now what happened? Instead of varchar I'm putting 100. Save it. Now if you see in my Snowflake, how is the column data type? Describe table name. So behavior will not be changed for all these things. Okay. So see now it will be what? Varchar of the default size. Now what happened? Now I want to get 100. Tell me second time will work. It will be 100 or it will be default size.
Default since we are not doing a full refresh.
We see default. Suppose if I want to get the default our own size, what I should do? The
Full
schema
refresh.
changes. Go for full refresh. Now it will be what? It will be 100. If any schema changes, if any YAMLs are there, what I should do? We should do the full refresh concept. Got the point? See up to here, indexer, go ahead.
Can we bring a JSON file as
No,
well?
only CSV.
Using the
Only CSV. If you have JSON, you should go for normal loading.
Seeds only used for data loading, sir.
No. Only if you see what happened. If we see up to here in dots, see. So how to run DBT seed? Okay, same thing. We'll see. I'll answer the question. Same thing. Now what happened? Now we are checking in Snowflake. Tell me every time can I go Snowflake and I can access that? No, I want to access this object in DBT. How to access? Based on what concept? Tell me. How to access models? Based on which function? How to access ref function. Same thing. Seeds also can be accessed by using which function? By using ref function. What is seed name? Account details. When I compile, tell me data will be coming from what? This definition from Snowflake or from DBT? This definition.
DBT.
Definition is coming from. This is called as database name, schema name, and object name. Now what happened? Tell me now. See now I want to see the data. Tell me data is coming from Snowflake or coming from DBT?
DBT.
Snowflake.
Snowflake.
Snowflake. No, Snowflake. So this is coming from Snowflake. Okay, got it. If any schema changes, what happened? Go for what concept? Go for full refresh. So first time creation, insertion, commit. Second time truncate, commit, insert, commit. If any schema changes, how to accommodate the schema changes? By using what concept? By using
full refresh.
By using
Seeds
full
knowledge.
refresh. Full refresh in the full refresh. If I want to have my own data type, my own data by default, seeing the data, DBT creating the definition data type. If I want to create my own data type, my own thing, what I should do?
We need to create seeds.yaml.
YAML file.
We should put in the YAML file. Okay, see, like this way you can able to make it working. Suppose tell me in the single seed tray, can I accommodate one more seed, sir? Now what happened? Now
Yes,
I want to get even. Okay, now even what happened? Now I want to work ID as a varchar. Okay. Varchar. Okay, tell me it work. You can use separate YAML or you can use single seed, multiple seeds we can able to put. Now how to accommodate all the seeds? Now tell me now, at a time I want to run all the seeds. How to run all the seeds at a time?
Direct DBT seed.
DBT seed. Okay, so but tell me now it will work. Now schema changes will get accommodated, right?
No. We have to do
full refresh.
Full refresh. So DBT seed -- full - refresh. So now what will happen for all the tables, for all the seeds, table is dropped and recreated according to the YAML. Okay. So tell me for CSV, YAML is not there. Then what will create by default? Seeing the data, it will create the functional. Clear so far up to here? And also?
Yes.
Okay. So this is the functionality.
So,
good.
sir,
Good.
if we have the seed, but we haven't run the first time, and we have defined the YAML file for the data type something. So for the first run, will it take that seed or we have to go with the full refresh only?
No, it will take the YAML. It will go to YAML.
YAML. Okay.
Another question. So it will check, see if YAML is there, see what happened. So before running this one, it will check for the see what happened. I am trying to run DBT seed, something like this. Okay. Account details. So before that, now first you check the YAML is available or not with this name. Tell me YAML is available. For the first time. If YAML is there, it will go and check the seed name is matching or not. If seed name is matching, it will try to take this column name. If column data, if it is not available, it will take the default. Seeing the data, it will take the default data type. This one.
So from seed, can we go with the incremental load? There are any schema changes?
No. See what happened. So see if you see this data. Okay, how to run DBT seed -m seed name. How to refer? Select star from ref seed name. Same thing now. See what happened. See real-time use case. Okay, so before that, your question is that what? See, so DBT seeds are mainly for static data. Increment data, nothing but data will be keep on changing. Tell me it will work? It won't work. We should go for normal loading process. Mainly for small data sets. Okay, like okay, see, generally use case is that what? If you see lookup tables, country tables, zip codes, like for testing purpose or some data is like partnership details. I want the partnership. Okay, instead of loading the data, I can able to access from here. Okay, only for small data types, small data sets, lookup tables, we can able to use this function. If you have big data keep on changing, you should go for normal incremental concept or normal tables we should use.
Yeah.
See, so you should do the task. I'll give the task. Okay. So concepts are simple. Okay. See, right now you are understand. You can able to understand models. You can understand easily. Okay. Now seeds you can understand easily. Project.yaml we have it. So like see, okay, almost like you have kind of completed 30 to 20 to 30% of DBT. Okay. So slowly ref function we understood. Okay. Okay. See the same thing. Let me go to what seeds. Okay. So your task is this task. Okay. So this is the YAML. So alignment should be proper. Okay, seeds hyphen name zip code config. If you have one more seed, we can able to put the seed. Same thing. Now this is your task. Okay. Tell me now we understood what comma value. Now I want to go for pipe symbol. Tell me in Snowflake if I want to load this pipe symbol, what I should do?
We need to change a file format.
In the file format, what's the column name? Parameter. Parameter or field delimiter equal to
Field delimiter.
pipe symbol. Okay, same. See what happened. If I want to load this data in Snowflake, what I should do? So load, take the file, load data. Same. That's one of, if you know Snowflake, the same concept we are trying to implement here. Okay. See next. Okay, see. So view options. So what is the thing? Field delimiter is we can put okay, pipe symbol or same thing. Now here what happened? DBT can understand only comma. But if I want to get pipe, what I should do? See your task. I'll try to explain. You should do the task. Okay. Control C and Control V. Okay, now let me now see put here. Now instead of pipe, I'm putting suppose like say I'm putting dollar symbol. Okay, understand? Pipe or anything. Dollar symbol. Here I want to see this data, CSV data in which folder? The seeds folder. Okay, seeds folder. Suppose like tr dot. What is the extension? Dot CSV is the extension. Now how to run DBT seed hyphen name and the seed name. What is seed name? TR is the seed name. Okay, tell me YAML is there for this one? YAML definer? What is no? But now what will happen? Based on the data, it will try to create a table with one column or two columns. Anyone can guess? Can you guess? It will be create single column or multiple columns?
Multiple
Only
columns.
one column.
By
Because
one column?
delimiter.
Two columns.
Does DBT understand only comma?
Only comma. Now it will now tell me now single column or two columns?
Single column.
Single.
If you see now, so table only see account name dollar account number, because what happens? So see, tell me for the column names can use dollar symbol or not? You can use underscore dollar symbol or accepted. Now tell me now we want single column or multiple columns?
Multiple.
Multiple. No. See if you see the data, this is correct. If you see the data, select the star from table name. So instead of two columns, it's written a single column. Now what happened? We want to say to DBT, it's not a single column, it's a multiple column. How can you say already created? Now how can you say what I should define? Define in the YAML. Okay, there is. So your task is that one more parameter is there. If you put this parameter and we should use what? Normal run or full refresh?
Full refresh.
Full refresh. Okay, see your task is that what? How to handle pipe symbol or dollar symbol. Same thing, one more task is that what? This is your task. Now tell me by default zeros will be trimmed or not?
Yeah,
will be
by default trimmed. But we want to say to DBT treat as a varchar. How to treat in the YAML concept? Tell me in the so while creating the tables, so create a table. Okay, so T6. Tell me, can I have this column name, sir? Country code, country space code, number. Tell me it work. Any guess?
No, it will not.
Now what I should do if I want to get spaces, what I should do?
Quotes.
Single quotes or double quotes?
Double quotes. Double quotes.
So see, Snowflake SQL concept, see double quote. Tell me, can I do manually? Yeah. can I put manually double quotes? It is not recommended and not supported. Okay. Now concept is that what now I'm having spaces are there. How to do this also your task. Okay. See, try to explore, you'll get clarity on it. Okay. See, this is the way you can able to get it done. So your task is to work on so how to accommodate zeros, how to accommodate spaces, how to handle pipe symbol, how to handle dollar symbol. This is your task. Got to find a simple thing. Explore, just explore, you'll get it. Okay, clear so far? And also anything? Okay, so this is, tell me, this is what exactly, tell me, anybody can able to tell what exactly I'm trying to do. This is a model. Tell me what exactly it will create, which object will create?
You're creating secure
Secure
view.
view.
Secure view. Name of the object will be?
Naveen
First stage.
stage.
Yeah,
Naveen
Naveen
first
first
stage.
stage.
What is query tag purpose?
DBT.
It is
In
used
Snowflake,
to track the query.
filter.
To track the queries executed from DBT. Now tell me what exactly line number 7 is doing.
It is referring
Referring?
another model.
Another model.
No, see what? See, line number 7. See there, see, this is the what concept, tell me. This is what? This is dependencies, data lineage. Okay, so this object is dependency. EMP1 is dependent on this thing. This object is dependent. So this is the upstream, this is the downstream. Now see what happening, what is line number 7 is doing. See clearly. Line number 7 is what? Accounts is what?
Accounts.
Accounts is what?
Account seeds model.
See, no seeds are model.
Sheet.
See, account. So we are sometimes what happened? We are referring the seeds and we are trying to create a object. So see what exactly they are trying to do. They are trying to how to refer the seed by using which concept? By using ref function. So ref function. See this image. Seeds model. So we are by using this seed, we are trying to create a secure view. Again, we are trying to do some object here. So this is the data lineage. So with the help of DBT, data lineage can be handled easily. For the point of so far.
So can you explain that again, sir? So what is happening?
No, tell me what happened. Suppose if not able to understand. Okay. So now account details is there. Tell me how to access in DBT
Using
account details. Ref function. Select star from __ ref function account details. Tell me when I query, tell me data is coming from where? Coming from the seed. Coming from where? Coming from the Snowflake table or coming from the seed? Now as of now. Snowflake table. Now what happened by using this seed? I want to do some object. Now I want to create as a permanent table. How to get permanent table? So transient equal to false. Okay. Now I want to give my own name. How to give my own name? Go for alias. Now I want to tag the queries by using query tag. Okay. So DBT. Okay. Same thing. Now question is that what now I want to save as a what select statement where I want to save seeds in the model select statement. No, not seeds. Okay. Model. Okay. So E3 dot SQL. Okay. Now what happened? Now how to run this? Now tell me now we run the seed or we run the okay model. Okay. How to run DBT run hyphen model name. So E33. Now what will be create? So now what will be created? Now we are using seed to create a object. Now what object will be created now? Permanent table will be created. Okay, got that? What happened? Some issue. So what issue? Tell me. Anybody can tell me what is issue?
Space.
It's saying what? It's saying no such command. It's issue what? Issue with space. Now see what happened, what exactly we're trying to see this details, you'll get some clarity. Okay. See the creator replace, copy the same thing. So Control V. Now go to our model. So Control C. So you should check the data. See now what happened, name object is PP. Why? Because alias name, query tag. Now it is created as what? Permanent table because this is the functionality. Okay. Now tell me how you are getting this value coming from from the DBT. DBT is
Target.
the function. Okay, no, this one. So this is the target. Okay. Now how we are getting this value? This is coming from what? Coming from DBT. Okay, dev schema. This is what? This is the seed. Got the point? So by using seed, I am trying to create a database object. That's what the function. Clear up to here? Oh, this is clear, I guess.
So can you come to the lineage document? So
Lineage, okay.
Yeah.
So lineage will be there. Now so it will be referring seed.
Okay, this PP model which you created, it should refer to accounts, no?
No, this one, no, PP nothing but E33, no? So our model name, it will take the model. But internally it will create as PP in Snowflake.
So it should be on the left side, and account should be on the right side.
No. See, this is the, okay, so this is what upstream. This object is dependent on this object. So see, this object is built on what tree? See the arrow. So this is using by this guy. Suppose same thing, let me use this model. Tell me how to access this model by saying select the stars from __ ref function E33. Okay, so 33. Now save as E44. Now tell me now E4 will be at the left side or right side or then
on the left side.
Right
no,
side.
right side at the end.
Okay, it means like right side is depend on the left side.
So this object is dependent on this object is so this is the for this one, this is the upstream model and this is the downstream model. So see, this is the upstream model, but this is the downstream model. So this is not data lineage. Tell me, we are doing anything extra thing? No. So how DBT is handling dependencies basing what concept?
Data lineage.
No. How basing what function? Basing ref function.
Ref
Okay.
function.
See, so question very important. How DBT is handling dependencies basing what concept? Basing ref is a function. So data lineage. So this is the data lineage. So we are not doing anything. So in normal database, what happened? We need to create ER diagrams, Erwin tool, by using Erwin tools or some other tools, we need to create this thing. But what happened with the help of ref function, we are trying to get all this information. Clear so far? Oh, this is clear, I guess. Okay.
So one thing, in seeds,